Hello you guys. Today I'm going to be opening up a 2021 to 2022 Prizm Mega Box. These come with 40 total cards, 4 cards per pack, 10 packs per box, 3 silvers, 1 green Pulsar memorabilia card, 5 total green Pulsars, 2 of them are rookies, and each pack has a base rookie. And yeah, I said 2 of the green Pulsars are rookies. So, yeah. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know it comes a thick pack, but we'll just open the packs. So, yeah. This right here. J.J. Watt, Josh Jacobs, Kylan Hill rookie, and DeForest Buckner green Pulsar. So this is base, everything else, and highlights. So, this feels thick, but we'll just do it anyways, because why not? Go from the back. Tony Boselli, silver. Then Jesse Bates. Zaven Collins, rookie. And this looks like a rookie gear. 16. Elijah Moore.
Again?
So, Elijah Moore. Green Pulsar. Memorabilia card.
That's the best card in the box?
No, just the memorabilia card doesn't mean it's the best in the box. It's just one of the cards that's included in the box.
Okay.
So Elijah Moore isn't a bad name. So yeah. Third pack. Tyler Boyd, Andre Reed, Rondale Moore rookie. It's a solid one. Bengal. Yes! Jamar Chase, green Pulsar rookie card. That's a nice one.
Yes.
That is probably
Yes.
the best one I've hit out of Prizm.
Thank you, Lord.
That's a beautiful one. The centering is a little bit off, but it's still
Who cares?
a really nice Chase rookie card. I saw like the Cincinnati kind of popping out, and I was just hoping it wasn't like Chris Evans or whatever. Quentin Nelson, Dante Hall, Monty Rice rookie, and Prizm Break Joe Burrow. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
I'm a Chase fan.
Yeah, I like Chase a lot also. Deshaun Watson, Justin Herbert second year, Javon Holland rookie, and Jared Goff green Pulsar. The Herbert in the base stack, even though it's a nice second year one. So yeah, that Chase is really nice. Sam Hubbard, Logan Thomas, Levi Onwuzurike, and green Pulsar. Oh, I was hoping that would be Brady for a sec, but Ronald Jones. 4 packs left, so we're over halfway through the box. Let's get a rookie silver. Grady Jarrett, Jamar Chase base rookie, and silver Derwin James. So that's a nice Chase base. I do like how, like, if you do get a nice rookie in the green pulsar, you're also most likely going to get a base of them, which will make the box better. So yeah, it's a good thing. 3 packs left. You have a Miles Sanders, Brett Favre, Jalen Camp rookie, and Hype Tua Tagovailoa. It's a nice one. Okay, 2 packs remaining. Bud Dupree, Billy Sims, Ramondre Stevenson, and Packers at Kylan Hill. Kylan Hill. So Stevenson isn't a bad rookie, and Kylan Hill green pulsar. Get that sleeved up since it's a rookie parallel. And last pack in this mega box, I think there should be a silver, and hopefully it is a rookie. Well, Charles Haley, Rashawn Gary, Greg Newsome, and a Colt rookie. Okay, Kwity Paye. That's not bad at all, actually. He was a first-round draft pick, like 21st overall, I think. So, yeah. Let's do a quick little recap. Everything else. We got Greg Newsome, Tua, silver, pulsar, a couple rookies. So, that's everything else. Then highlights, we got silver Kwity Paye, Kylan Hill green pulsar, Ramondre Stevenson, Rondale Moore, rookie gear Elijah Moore green pulsar, then a base Jamar Chase, and then biggest highlight would be the green pulsar Jamar Chase. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye bye.